Hi, I'm Eileen from Aztec Steel. Behind me is a gate of our factory. To my right is our 4-story office building. To my left is a staff cafeteria. Directly in front of me is company's parking lot. Well, after passing through the office area, you can see our workshop across from us. This is a core part of our factory. Now follow me to look around our factory. This area is our hot roll material stock place. Behind me is our GI lines. First of all, you see is our zinc pot part, which is a core part of the galvanized steel production. The machine moves to left and right to check the zinc layer. Then the data will be transmitted to display in a timely manner. Then the inspector can check the zinc layer reach customer or not. This part is our skin parts and the stressing equipment. All the galvanized steel pass through here will make the surface more smooth and more even. This package are for export. You can see all the cover of it steel. Now we are in the cold roll workshop. The first thing we see many furnaces. We coat the coils one by one inside, and after a certain period of annealing, they will come out of the furnace and then undergo natural cooling. It can be seen that when the 4 coils are placed together, the annealed coils will return to their stressing line. Now let's see the stressing line. This is end of line. So we can see after stressing, the surface become more smooth and the edge was slated. All the coils from furnace will transfer to this stressing line directly. We use a steel belt to stable the coil firstly. This production line for surface treatment, and some customers need to be wrapped to meet different processing needs. So we packing with simple one. Those coils waiting to slit or cut to sheet. Behind me is our warehouse. We put galvanized steel coil and pre-painted coils here. Thanks for watching.